Hi guys, I am Pratik from LWP Labs. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use your Azure portal for free after your free trial subscription has been expired. So I will show you first my free subscription. So we will go to the subscription in our Azure portal. Click on the free trial. As you can see here, it's saying your free credit has been expired. Upgrade to keep going with your account. Now, some people, what they do is they do not want to give their credit card or they do not want to move on with pay as you go. So for that, I'm going to show you how you can use Azure portal for free. So first, what you have to do is you got to go to Microsoft Learn. So in this Microsoft Learn, click on Take Training. Come down over here, click Take Training. So over here, you will be able to find a lot of paths and modules. So just click on Browse All Paths and come down. You will find a course called Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. Click on it. Again, come down. Now make sure that you have to make sure that all learning paths will not have this feature. So some of the features it's not available and some of the features it's available. So I'll go into this Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. Under this module, there is an exercise called Explore the Learn Sandbox. So under this sandbox, you can use this to activate your Azure portal. So over here it says this module requires a sandbox to complete. You have used one of 10 sandboxes for today. More sandboxes will be available tomorrow. So I'll click on activate sandbox. So when you will do it for the first time, you will get a review permission. You have to click on it and you have to give it as accept. So we'll wait for this sandbox to get created. Now I got a message. It is saying sandbox activated, time remaining 59 minutes. So after that, you have used 2 of 10 sandboxes. I have already used one. So you will have 10 sandboxes for a day. So now that's been activated. Now you can click on this no storage account required. Concierge subscription. Click on apply. So what this is basically this is a command line prompt that you can give, or else you can go to your Azure portal. Now click on refresh. So now guys, this is my default directory that is by using the Azure portal by using free subscription. So over here now you can see a Microsoft Learn Sandbox has been all activated. So I'll click on switch. Now once you have clicked on the switch button, now you are into the sandbox feature. Now what this will help you to do is you can create your database, you can create virtual machines, you can work with this for for only 58 minutes. So that's for only 1 hour actually. Then after that, over here, if you want to create a SQL database, click on subscription. There is a concierge subscription. Basically, a concierge subscription is nothing but each time when you activate a sandbox, a single resource will be created for you. So over here, click on this resource group, give your base name, choose a server. You have to create that. So once that is done, there is a timeline for your sandbox to get deactivated. Once that is done, all your resources will be deleted. You can either delete them or Microsoft itself will delete all the resources for you. So that is how you can use Microsoft Learn Sandbox and go ahead with creating your free Azure services. Thank you. Welcome to LWP Labs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view free Azure DevOps live classes. And for more videos like this, please contact the number shown in the description. Happy learning!